Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Photos. Firstly, you need to open Google Photos application. After that, enter into your account and then click at your account at the right top. We need to enable backup, so click at the backup and right here you will have it disabled, so just click at this toggle and we did it. Next one, you can manage your photos, so you can find something, let's say like keyboards right here, or you can use another preset, let's say videos, and we have it. Next one, how we can use it. We can create albums or collages or something else by just click at the plus. At the top we have it, so you can use it at the photo section or in the collection section, and right here we can, as you can see, create a lot of stuff. So let me create something like this. Let's call it test. Now description, like new keyboard, and now we can select the photos and let's say I wanna these 3 photos. We just add it, and as you can see we have it. Then you just click to apply it and we just create it, and you can make this with another. Next, we can modify photos also in this application, so select some photo, let's say I want to modify this, then click edit, and now let's say I want to modify worm. As you can see, Google already make something for me, so if you like it you can just save it, or you can also modify something else. You can make it here, done. Right here we have it. So we have a lot of filters here, it's up to you. Then just click save copy and we have it. Next one, what we can do, we can share photos or videos, something else. You need to also tap at what you want to share, let's say this one, and right here we have it. Click on it, then select, sorry, so yeah, so the size, what you want to share, so let's say I want to only this part, then share. And right here you can create a link and send it by link, or you can send it in the application. It's up to you. Next, we can also log photos. So if you wanna, let's say, to this photo make only for you, you click. You press and hold on it, and right here we have moved to locked folder, so you click on it and then move. And now we can see it right here in the view. We can also find it by search or collection. We need to go in the collection and to locked. Now you can use fingerprint or Face ID or your password, and right here, as you can see, we have this hide photos. Also, how you can use it? You can this application available on a lot of platforms, so you can use it on your PC or on your phone, and you can share photos from your platform to another one, and you can use it on PC, as I said previous. It's a good one. Also, there is a Google Lens, so if you have something, you can also use a lens and find it in the internet, something similar to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.